Hey guys, it's Abby Shelton with Deviant Racing. Welcome to the YouTube channel. For those of y'all who have seen our videos, thanks for coming back. If you're new here, we are a race team and it's race day today. Out here at the Parker 500, there is a pre-run before the race, which means the entire course is open for drivers and their team. So we can take any off-road capable vehicle, and we brought up our Canam X3. And it's really cool because you get to experience the race course at a more casual pace and bring along your family and friends. Cruising through the pre-run, and then the front knuckle on the passenger side broke. The guys did their best to try to fix it on course, but we weren't able to. The race officials came and towed us off the course. They're going to be going 375 miles today. It's a loop race, so they'll do 3 laps around, and we'll be set up at main pit.
To a buddy's pit, and he's like, yeah, they took the one piece off and everything. He's like, yeah, the balance bar's bent. He's like, we're gonna put a zip tie on it, like to try to hold it together for you to limp to main.
They are on their way in, a couple miles out. We are on one-piece duty, latch. We're gonna be replacing the balance bar. Fingers crossed.
Hey, I figure we can use all the good karma we can.
Yeah.
it's ripping the steering wheel out of my hand right now. Yeah, like we got 500 pounds of front pressure right now. Point, it's just get it somewhere that it's recoverable or that we can get on the road to get back to camp.
Well, this race ended short for us, but thanks for watching. We will be back for the Frontier 500 on April 17th, and stay tuned for more TRX and Bronco Raptor content, and don't forget to click that subscribe button.